We are proud to present this excellent 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This certified Avalanche 1500 is backed by GM's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain limited warranty. This vehicle is powered by a responsive 5.3-liter V8 engine, and has 4-wheel drive. This vehicle only has 27,665 miles, and gets an estimated 20 miles per gallon on the highway, and an estimated 15 in the city. Some of this vehicle's electronic and entertainment features include an RDS audio system with a satellite link and CD player which can read MP3s, a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system, and steering wheel-mounted remote audio controls. For your comfort and convenience, this vehicle has an online information system, and air conditioning, and for your safety and security this vehicle has also been equipped with multi-stage deploying driver and passenger front airbags with passenger seat occupant sensors. In order to pass GM's certification process, this vehicle needed to pass a rigorous 117-point inspection and reconditioning process, to ensure that you can drive away with no worries.
Bergstrom Chevrolet-Cadillace of Appleton is located at 2245 West College Avenue, right next to the viaduct in Appleton. This vehicle won't be here long, so call our professional sales staff today to schedule an appointment.